Hey guys, Connor here, and I have a model review on my EC300 Volvo excavator. I got this off 3000toys.com. I like their website, but sometimes their models can be a little pricey. I guess we'll get right into the review. I guess we'll start in the back here. You got your Volvo logo. It's all etched in. Or not etched in, I should say, like, you can feel it. Like, it's all, like, can't think of the word right now. Then you got your reflectors on each of these right there. You have some stickers down here, some, like, warning stickers. And, so here, over here, you have the EC300, the Volvo logo there, the door latch there, but that doesn't open. We have some handrails up here, a mirror, and the handrail. These are all made out of metal. And over on this side, have door latch there, EC300 right there. Got some radiator. They're not etched through, but they have the grooves and everything. Logo. The windows for the cabs at the cab. Handlebar. Or no, handrail to grab. It's all metal. Got your windshield right there, plastic. And then you got the cab. And then you have over here, you have all your hydraulic lines. As you can see in there, you have your no, you don't see it. You can't see anything in there. Never mind. I guess we'll start up the boom. Right here you got your Volvo logo. You got your cylinders here that go down in there. And then up here, you have this cylinder. This side has the same thing. You got your cylinder here. You got the Volvo logo. Have some hydraulic lines there. On top here, can't see it. Get your hydraulic line. That's not hooked to anything, so just like that, because I don't have the bucket here. This is the grapple. I just used part of the linkage for the bucket, from the bucket, and to put it on there. And then I super glued this pin right here, this one, and then it wasn't too hard to do. And then down here, have your tracks on the undercarriage. And you can see in there, and then they're tensioned, the tension tracks. I personally like this model. It's very nice. The hydraulics are really stiff. I guess that's really it, except for, I guess I missed this. The hood opens up here. You can see in there, but you can see. I highly recommend this model. It's very nice. Quality-wise, detail-wise, and it does come with a bucket, obviously, but I just switched it. I guess that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video, whatever it is. I'm not really scheduled person. I just make videos as I go. So, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.